Model, 68-plate VAUXHALL VIVARO L1 Diesel 2900 1.6CDTI 95PS ecoFLEX H1 Combi 7-seater DISABILTY ramp minibus 85K genuine low miles grin. Body, blue, minibus. Mileage, 85,535. MOT, 10 September 2024. Engine, 1598 cc 1.695 PSS, SA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. No warning lights on the dash, starstruck. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Feature